Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help how to pass the app chemistry exam step by step. Start by mapping the exam structure and timing so you know where to save time. Prioritize high-yield topics and make a realistic weekly study plan. Use practice tests to identify weak areas and track improvement. Mix active recall with spaced repetition and targeted problem sets to build speed and accuracy before test day. Create a study routine that mixes active recall, spaced repetition, and timed practice. Start each session with quick flashcard reviews, then tackle targeted problem sets for 30 to 45 minutes. After problems, review mistakes and write brief explanations to reinforce concepts. Schedule full practice exams every 1 to 2 weeks and simulate real timing. Consistent short sessions beat last-minute cramming for memory and speed. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and reduce test day stress by improving financial calm. It pairs well with study goals when budgeting for tutors or resources. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When approaching free response, first rewrite the question and list knowns and unknowns to clarify steps. Use dimensional analysis and units to catch mistakes and keep answers sensible. If stuck, answer what you can and show work for partial credit, labeling assumptions clearly. Practice common reaction mechanisms, titration setups, and equilibrium shifts until recognizing patterns becomes automatic under time pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.